Graham Project, Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor update. We've had to change the location of the one-way bearing on the main drive shaft to this location. Where it was on the blue gear was allowing the system to not advance the weight on the main rotor. We completed the pendulum on the glide swing. And basically, with manual testing, we verified that if we put a heavy enough weight on here, there's only a 5-pound weight on the pendulum at this time. But just by oscillating it back and forth, you can see that if I use a couple of electromagnets and a much heavier weight, that it will keep the system going with very little electrical input, and most of the input force for the device will come from mechanical advantage and gravity, pushing the pendulums, like pushing somebody on a swing. There's no real load placed on the pendulum. It's all on the mechanical advantage of the not exactly sure what you'd call that, but the lever arm, that drives the main shaft. And so a very small electrical pulse from the electromagnets will keep the pendulum oscillating, which will cause the glide swing to oscillate, and that will cause the ratcheting motion on the main drive shaft. So, obviously, once we get the other weight, the movable weight installed, it will, be more of a continuous 360-degree rotation. And so things are looking positive at this point. We'll, place a hevier weight, 50-pound weight on the pendulum, and that'll increase the torque, which will, just give the main rotor a little push when required to keep rotation at the input. I guess, whatever. I'm having difficulties finding the words to describe the action, but it'll come in time, and corrections are welcome. We have to install another gear over on the transmission to complete the process, and then once we get the additional weight or movable weight fabricated, then we'll be able to get some tests. Voltage at the input, the pulse duration will be very small, and then we'll see what kind of voltage and current we're generating at the output. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the day.